Is your cat hiding and not eating or drinking? This is a cause for concern, since cats typically eat and drink when they want to. So why might your cat be hiding? Is it something serious? Let's cover this in today's video. Hi, I'm a vet, and let's talk about the 6 steps that you can take if your cat is hiding. The first step that I want you to take is to consider how long has your cat been hiding. Cats will hide from time to time for one reason or another. And most of the time, they'll come out after a little while and go back to normal. If your cat has been hiding for less than 24 hours, then the next step that you should take is to look at where is your cat hiding. So cats hide in different places throughout the house. It might hide in closets, under beds, behind curtains, in boxes, or even up in cabinets. The reason why I ask you where your cat is hiding is because it gives me a clue as to what the problem could be. For example, if your cat is hiding in a place that is dark and quiet, then chances are that your cat just wants to be left alone. Cats are crepuscular, which means that they are most active during dawn and dusk. They are naturally more active during these times of the day. And so if it's midday and you come home from work and you find that your cat is hiding in a dark, quiet place, chances are that your cat just wants to sleep. Cats will often choose a spot to sleep based on how warm that area is. If you have an older cat, then there's a good chance that your cat may have arthritis. If so, they will want to find a nice warm place to sleep. So make sure that you check if your cat is warm to the touch and if their breathing is slow and steady. So then leave your cat alone. Chances are, they will come out when they're ready to come out. If you notice that your cat is hiding in a brightly lit room or in a busy area of the house, then chances are that your cat is scared. Some cats get very stressed out when there are loud noises or lots of activity going on in the house. It's almost like some cats have sensory issues similar to humans with autism. If this is the case, try to take your cat to a quieter, darker room and leave them there. Make sure that food and water are available nearby. Then leave your cat alone for a bit. See if they're willing to come out. Once they do come out, then try to take them to their favorite room in the house and see if they read more comfortable there. What about if your cat is hiding in a litter box? Well, if your cat is hiding in the litter box, then there's a good chance that they want to use the litter box but can't. So the next step that you should take is to scoop out the litter box and then replace it with fresh litter. Make sure that you take your cat to the litter box and see if they will use it. Also, if you have a cat that is hiding in the litter box, then it's a great idea to get a second litter box. Sometimes cats can get stressed out by sharing a litter box with other cats in the household. And so by adding a second litter box, this may help reduce the stress that your cat is feeling. You should always have one extra litter box beyond the number of cats that you have in your household. So if you have 3 cats, then have 4 litter boxes. If you have 4 cats, then get 5 litter boxes. What if your cat is hiding in the litter box and they're also lethargic? In this case, this could be a sign of a medical problem, and you should take your cat to the veterinarian right away. Other reasons why your cat may be hiding in the litter box include a urinary tract infection or inflammation of the bladder called cystitis. If your cat is straining to urinate or having trouble urinating, then this could be a sign of a urinary tract infection. Also, if your cat is having accidents outside of the litter box, then this can also be a sign of a urinary tract infection. Other medical conditions that can cause your cat to hide include kidney disease, liver disease, hyperthyroidism, and diabetes. So if your cat is hiding and not eating, drinking, or using the litter box, then definitely take your cat to the veterinarian right away. If you notice that your cat is hiding in a small space, such as a box or a closet, then this could be a sign that your cat is having pain. Pain is one of the most common reasons why cats will hide. So if you suspect that your cat is in pain, then you need to take the next step, which is to feel your cat for pain. Start by looking at your cat's eyes and checking for any discharge. Notice if your cat's ears are swollen, red, or have discharge. Feel your cat's gums to make sure that they're nice and pink. If they're pale, then this could mean that your cat is anemic. Feel your cat's belly to make sure that it's not swollen. If it is swollen, then this could be a sign of abdominal pain. Finally, take your cat's temperature. A normal temperature for cats is between 100.5 to 102.5 degrees Fahrenheit. If your cat's temperature is higher than 102.5 degrees Fahrenheit, then this could be a sign of an infection. If you notice that your cat has discharge from their eyes, ears, nose, or mouth, then this could also be a sign of an infection. When you're feeling your cat, you can distract them with a treat or by petting them. But if your cat is really in pain, then they won't want to be touched. If you notice that your cat is cowering, has tucked over ears, a tucked tail, and is trying to make themselves small, then this is a sign of pain and distress. If you notice that your cat is hiding and is in pain, then you should take them to the veterinarian as soon as possible. Pain is one of the most common reasons why cats will hide, but it's important that you identify the underlying cause of the pain so that the pain can be addressed. Another reason why your cat may be hiding is because they've recently had an injury. If your cat was recently in a fight with another cat or a dog, then this could be the reason why your cat is hiding. Or maybe you have a new pet in the house and your cat is feeling threatened, and that's why they're hiding. Another reason why your cat may be hiding is because they're sick. If your cat has a respiratory infection, then they will want to isolate themselves to prevent the spread of infection to other cats in the house. If your cat is hiding and they also have a runny nose, sneezing, coughing, or have difficulty breathing, then chances are that your cat has a respiratory infection. If you suspect that your cat has a respiratory infection, then it's a good idea to take them to the veterinarian for a checkup. Finally, the last step that you should take is to consider if there is anything new in the environment, not maybe stressing your cat out. If you've recently moved, then this could be the reason why your cat is hiding. Cats are creatures of habit, and they don't like changes to their routine. Also, if you recently changed food brands or types of foods, then this could be the reason why your cat is hiding and not eating. Cats can be very sensitive to changes in their diet, and some cats may refuse to eat a new food. If you suspect that your cat's behavior is due to stress, then the best thing to do is to try to make their environment as calm and relaxing as possible. Try to keep loud noises and commotion to a minimum. Make sure that your cat has plenty of places to hide and that their litter box is always clean. Providing your cat with a pheromone product may also be helpful. Pheromones are natural chemicals that cats release into the environment to help them feel safe and secure. You can purchase pheromone products at most pet stores. I hope that these 6 steps help you figure out why your cat is hiding. If you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button below. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Share this video with other cat lovers. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.